Here's a brand new affiliate marketing video on how to pick the perfect affiliate product to promote that people already want to buy. For every affiliate marketer who wants to find great products to promote and get high quality traffic without having to promote product and lose money on things that people aren't really buying. Hi, I'm Cameron Malcolmson and I help affiliate marketers start and launch their own affiliate hub based business model, and I've created Limitless Money Hub to bring together the best of the industry, from tools, coaches, courses, collaborations, all for affiliate marketers to do what they're currently doing at the next level. So I've invested interest in yourself and I've invested interest in myself, and I've invested in thousands of dollars in courses and high ticket affiliate programs and earned high ticket affiliate commissions from my first 90 days online back in 2018. So here's the dip when it comes to picking the perfect affiliate product to promote that people already want to buy now. So this is the product selection criteria, and number one that we're going to be looking at here is we've got to take a look at this big picture idea. And when we're going to go ahead and promote affiliate products, we don't just want to be a fly-by-night job. We just want to move into an industry that is booming so that we can build something for the long term. I'm going to be sharing with you in the next coming videos some booming industries that you can move into and to get your ideas flowing. But when you're thinking about this here, you don't necessarily want to go down the line of down the line of a declining industry, where if you're going to be building out your affiliate business and promoting different affiliate products, you want to have an idea of the industry, and is it on the uptrend, and is it going to be here in the next 10-20 years, or is it going to be on the downtrend, and is it really going to be there in the next 10 or 20 years? Would it be worth your while moving into that industry and building an affiliate company and building an affiliate business around all these different types of products that you can promote in that industry? So that's number one big one, is finding a booming industry and moving into that booming industry. An example here would be e-learning is a booming industry. Also, like apparel and like brand clothes and things like this here, like Nike stuff, Adidas, like that stuff is like a booming industry. It's on the uprise, and you can be an affiliate for these different companies as well. So just establishing a booming industry that's on the uptrend and it's going to be about for a while. Next to number two here is finding a great solid company, and it's best that if you've had a similar experience or there's a company that you've had an experience with that you can recommend people to and they can get the same experience. For example, when you go ahead and find a great solid company that's in that booming industry, like they've already went and created a business that has an impact and it delivers great products. So you want to identify great solid companies inside that booming industry. So you can maybe pick maybe a handful of different companies that are solid brands and companies that people already know about, and you can partner with these companies and help them create an impact in the world. Number three here is identifying a world-class and high-end demand product or service from that company or these companies. And when you identify a high-end demand product, the secret is that you want a product that people are already selling and people are already buying, and you want to have potentially a lot of competition selling the same product. Because if there's a product that no one's ever heard of before, then you don't really know if it's going to sell, and then you're going to be the guinea pig learning how if it's going to sell. So you want to really find a world-class and high-end demand product or service delivered by the great company that's in a booming industry. That way then you can build a marketing system around that high-end demand product, and you know that people are already buying it, and then you can be unique with your marketing system. So the big ideas here to take away from this is really, number one, you want to think about the big picture when it comes to the industry, and is it going to be there and something that you want to build into the long term? Number 2 is there's already great companies out there making a huge impact. All we've got to do is partner with these great companies, and you can stand behind these companies and know that they're giving people a great experience. Then the third big takeaway here is you want to find that high in demand product from that company that has high competition, and you know that people are already buying it, so it's been proven to sell. The big takeaway here is that you can go out there and find products and services that people already want to buy now as an affiliate, and build a 6-figure marketing system or your own marketing system around the world-class high-in-demand product or service, and promote it as an independent and affiliate, and make an impact in the world along with these companies. So before I forget, if you're an affiliate marketer whose goal is to take this to the next level, take a minute and go and check out the affiliate marketing webinar at limitlessmoneyhub.com. Register for the webinar, the link is in the description below, and it makes it easy for you to work on work that works for you without having to go out there and go through trial and error trying to figure out which products are out there that you can promote. But that being said, you can take this strategy, these principles, and apply them to whatever affiliate business you're doing now. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a great one. All the best.